I'm convinced I cannot kill this drone. I have crashed this baby probably 12 times. The last time I hit the trees, it falls 50 feet and she's totally fine. We busted this piece. This propeller is cracked. The end of this one is damaged. This one is also busted, but you know what? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. She's gonna fly right on now. Wait for it. Wait for it. Let's go. Let's go. And to think, you guys doubted. Why you guys always doubting? Now in today's video, we are breaking down the entire cost of the dream house. We filmed one of these videos about a year ago when the house was 33% done. The house is now finished. So I have 1.7 acres here in the beautiful state of Utah. I spent $460,000 on just the land. Now garage doors, for example, those were $34,613.41. We are breaking down the entire cost of the house down to the penny. I spent 9 hours on Excel yesterday, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Looking at this list, there are so many items to go through. It gives me a massive migraine. So before we could build the house, we had to design the house. Design and engineering was $22,000. Then the city had to approve the design. We had to get a building permit. The permit alone was $32,613. Once construction started, we had to excavate the land. The excavation, $65,267.52. The original budget for this house was just under $2 million. And as you can see, unfortunately, we weren't very close to hitting budget. Now we could chit chat all day long about a bunch of the nonsense items, $1,000 here, $1,000 there, but I think we need to jump straight into the big boys. The second biggest line item is concrete. I'm talking foundation, foundation walls, foundation floor, suspended slab, all of the concrete excluding the driveway. This number does not include the driveway. We spent a grand total of $211,536.03 on concrete. I love concrete. You guys love concrete. I'm pro concrete. Like everybody loves concrete to the tune of $211,000. Now the biggest line item on the house makes concrete feel cheap. The biggest line item, of course, is lumber. You guys know lumber. During the pandemic, lumber prices skyrocketed to an all-time high, and the absolute peak of lumber prices was the exact moment that yours truly was framing his house. The original bid, labor, materials, all the framing for the house lumber-wise was gonna be $250,000. I spent $474,286.05. So lumber was nearly double the original bid. I love lumber, and I spent nearly $500,000 to prove it to you guys. And on that bombshell, today's video has been sponsored by Anchor. As a lot of you guys know, last weekend I went to my first Formula 1 race in Austin, Texas in partnership with Anchor. It was such a cool experience, and I cannot thank Anchor enough for inviting me along on the journey. Anchor is the world's #1 mobile charging brand, and their new GaN Prime lineup is revolutionizing the industry. If you guys are like me, you're on your phone, you're on your laptop, you're on your tablet every single day, and at some point during the day, your battery life hits 1% and you have to get charged ASAP. Well, Anchor's new GaN Prime lineup is here to save the day. Now, Anchor just introduced 6 new multi-charging devices in their GaN Prime lineup. These devices are all fast charging, super compact, and portable, and Anchor uses an innovative interlocking structure and a stacked architecture to reduce the size of the charger by 53% while also lowering operating temperatures by as much as 18 degrees Celsius. And the Anchor 747 has 4 different charge ports, so simultaneously you can charge your cell phone, a laptop, a tablet, and another device. Now, Anchor's GaN Prime lineup has Active Shield 2.0. This enhances protection by monitoring temperature and adjusting power output to protect your connected devices. And Anchor's Power IQ 4.0 automatically detects the power requirements of your laptop, your cell phone, and other devices. It distributes the output between them in real time, so you can fast charge multiple devices in an energy efficient way. Now, Anchor continues to power a greener world. Less e-waste with the multiple port design means less chargers worldwide. Check out the link below to Anchor's GaN Prime lineup and start charging your cell phone, your laptop, your tablet, whatever you need charged simultaneously. Check out the link below. So the concrete for the driveway was $46,850. So this dumpster cost me $7,500. Trash storage. Who knew it was such a lucrative? We're good. Who knew it was such a lucrative business? So I'm always telling you guys how much I love red brick. I spent $74,450 on just red brick. I knew I loved it, but I didn't realize I loved it that much. I am physically exhausted. I have not ran this long in a very long time. So in the summertime, I want to be as chill as a cucumber, and in the wintertime, I want to be nice and toasty. I got 4 AC units over there. I got 4 more on that side of the house. HVAC, I spent $93,605. I haven't received my first utility bill, but I'm very, very nervous. I think it's gonna be expensive. So on light fixtures, I spent $19,670.05 on light fixtures. They look great though, and I chose them out. Like, I did a fantastic job. I did not hire an interior designer on this house because they're very expensive and I want to save a bunch of money. So I hope you guys like my light fixtures. I spent $9,575 on gutters. Probably one of my favorite parts of the entire house is the windows, the magnitude, all the natural light they let into the house. I love these windows from Amsco. I spent $72,289.68 on windows, but it was well worth it. All of this black stuff, like right here and right here, and I'm pointing at absolutely nothing, is called soffit and fascia. I don't know what soffit is, I don't know what fascia is. I spent $33,475 on the soffit and fascia, which is there. So all the white and black areas on the exterior siding of the house is called board and bat. I spent $27,691 on board and bat. And my front door was $4,800. Oscar, $4,800. And this vault door was $6,971.38. So the car elevator system was $88,345, but that's just for the car elevator. The installation, $28,688. I spent nearly $120,000 on a car elevator system, but I would reckon it is the coolest part of the entire house by far. And these mirror and shower doors were $13,708 for doors. And the carpet was $19,676. Now, if you're a kid and you're watching today's video, this is a disclaimer. Do not climb on your roof under any circumstances whatsoever. I do not want to get age restricted again. We have the shingles, we have the metal roof, grand total, $45,000. And the plumbing was $42,421.24. This toilet has a heated toilet seat. And these window shades, $26,730. And appliances, $15,000. And cabinets and countertops, $89,529. And stairways were $17,710. And this fireplace, $5,700. And steel was $74,000. And electrical was $51,639.14. I'm sorry about the echo. And I have a fence and a gaping installed for $30,940. And I have landscaping totaling $15,282.88. You're probably wondering, landscaping? Yes, I spent $15,000 on landscaping. I am just completely exhausted right now. I have got to exercise more. Eventually in the basement, we're gonna add a gym, but that's a key notation. This is total cost as of today, October 31st, 2022. The garage still has so much more to do. The back cave doesn't have electrical. The basement isn't finished. There's no landscaping at all. We still have so much to do here at the house, but up to date, this is total cost. So audio visual, $50,596.74. So there's 2 other key details that have to be mentioned, and that is construction interest on my construction loan. So I had my construction loan for about 18 months. I'm paying interest on that loan every single month. The grand total of construction interest, $55,852.74. That was just interest on the construction loan. Now that I have a traditional mortgage, I'm going to be paying more interest on that same loan for 30 years. And then of course another key detail is closing costs on the loan. Whenever you close a loan, there's all these associated costs. I would try to explain them, but I'm not a loan officer. Grand total $31,536.74. So on interest and closing costs alone, I spent nearly $86,000. And then of course, quite possibly the most important expense of the entire project, the honey bucket out front, the porta potty that was here for 18 months, that cost me a grand total of $5,867.34. that is what a porta potty runs you for 18 months. And of course, the moment you guys have all been waiting for, the grand total to build my dream house as of October 31st, Halloween of 2022, including the carpet, is $2,993,335.14. As I mentioned on the onset of today's video, the original budget for this house was sub $2 million, but with the pandemic, with COVID, like the price of raw materials, especially lumber, concrete, steel, like even paint, everything was so far elevated. Now, I'm not complaining at all. I try to be open and honest with you guys, and I've tried to do that since day one. Since the day I bought my Gallardo, I've told you guys everything from payments to insurance, and now to the cost of the dream house. It has been such an incredible journey. I cannot thank you guys enough for all your support, because without you guys, this never would have been possible. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, but on that bombshell, today's video, is over. And this toilet was $3,000, and I didn't pay one single penny.